Good afternoon, everyone. Hyderabad is today a global city. We all have seen over the past decade the growth of Hyderabad. Today, the entire country is looking at Hyderabad to be their home for everyone. In this occasion of being the most happening city and the most livable city, the city has got a good atmosphere throughout the year, and it attracts a lot of investors, end users from across the globe. Taking this advantage and the situation, the CREDAI has just come up with this grand show with the theme of CREDAI ability. This show will showcase all the premier projects and all projects across all three other gateways of Hyderabad. As we know, the western part, northern part gateway, and coming to the east and the southern part, a 360-degree focus is planned by CREDAI, the Hyderabad team. So this is a very great platform for all of the home buyers, end users to come and select their best home. This is the biggest advantage for the buyer to come to one place and visit all the stalls by all the other builders to see what they want, the specs, price, size, and the delivery schedules and their individual choices, preferences can be done. This is the only platform for the buyers which will have a great advantage. And coming back, it's the time to be sustainable. As we all know, the CREDAI National has signed up another MOU with the IGBC to have over 4,000 odd projects to be under the green certified projects. If you just look at Hyderabad, we have around 800 plus projects which are being certified by IGBC, and out of that, the majority of them come from other CREDAI Hyderabad members. So we urge all other home buyers to come and witness the sustainable projects, which will have a big advantage in terms of the ratings, which will just help them in the long-term appreciation of projects and many more advantages. And coming to the city has got its own growth. The city is growing from mile to mile, and we on behalf of CREDAI Hyderabad will request all the buyers who are just planning to be their home in Hyderabad to come and witness the big festivity in August, which is being planned by the CREDAI team. Trust me, the CREDAI Hyderabad team has put in a lot of efforts for the shows. It's not something to have a show of this kind. On behalf of this, we request everyone to come for this August, 3 shows. Keep free and spend time and make use of this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.